My name is Amelia and I'm the manager here at Servcorp Chifley Tower. We are so excited about having the new location here at Chifley. Having operated in the tower for almost 30 years, the new floor is a fitting upgrade for Servcorp's clients in the city's best building. The moment you step onto the 17th floor, you're welcomed by a luxurious, open-plan, modernised space with new co-working and collaboration areas, with a dedicated support team to be here to be an extension of your team, as well as IT infrastructure to support your business.
I'm Dan James, Senior Interior Designer for Servcorp. We're really happy about this one. Our designs are constantly evolving and this really has represented everything that we're standing for. We've got 150 locations around the globe. We are constantly refreshing, constantly looking at the needs of the market and seeing how we can evolve each of those floors to best suit that market. Every time we get an opportunity to open a new floor, we basically put in the 3 pillars that Servcorp is built on. And that is our floor staff. We have more floor staff per floor than any of our competitors. Our IT system, which we've spent $100 million developing. And of course, beautiful designs in A-grade buildings in fantastic locations.
I'm Gabriella, the Virtual and Co-working Manager of Servcorp Chifley Tower. Chifley Tower is located in the precinct of Power in the heart of Sydney's CBD. There is simply no better place to do business or a better place to set up your virtual office.
We look forward to welcoming you to Servcorp Chifley Tower.